For countless couples, the spark fades, the passion dwindles, and intimacy, once a joyous connection, becomes a whispered memory. What if I told you the solution wasn't found in expensive therapies or exotic trips? What if the key to reigniting that fire, to experiencing a level of desire that's almost overwhelming for your partner, lay hidden in something as simple as your morning routine? I'm Dr. Sara Malik, and my work explores the often overlooked secrets of human connection and biological triggers. Today, I'm revealing a singular, powerful addition to your morning tea, just 1 teaspoon, that men across my studies are calling a game changer. So potent, in fact, that wives are begging them to stop. This is the story of the teaspoon revelation. Let's understand the biology. Female desire, or libido, is a complex dance of hormones, neurochemicals, and psychological factors. Stress, fatigue, hormonal shifts, and even certain medications can suppress it. Our goal isn't to override these, but to gently optimize the natural pathways. The ingredient I'm referring to targets specific receptors in the female brain, known to influence mood, arousal, and overall sense of well-being. It helps reduce mental barriers and enhances the body's natural receptiveness to touch and intimacy. It's not an aphrodisiac in the traditional sense, but a powerful neural harmonizer. And the ingredient is organic, cold-pressed, Peruvian maca root powder. Now, before you dismiss it, understand that the form and consistency are crucial. A cheap supplement won't do. The quality of the maca and how it's integrated is key. Maca is an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress and balances hormones without adding external hormones. For centuries, it's been used in the Andes for energy, stamina, and, yes, libido. But the teaspoon in tea method optimizes its absorption and delivery for this specific powerful effect. Let me tell you about Michael and Sara. Married for 20 years, their passion had slowly evaporated. Sara felt exhausted, overwhelmed by life's demands. Michael felt rejected, unsure how to rekindle what they had. They were on the brink of giving up. In my research group, Michael started adding 1 teaspoon of high-grade maca powder to his morning tea, as instructed, not for Sara, but for his own energy. After about 2 weeks, something unexpected happened. Sara, who rarely initiated intimacy, started showing subtle signs of increased affection. Michael noticed a shift. He told me, it wasn't aggressive, it was a gentle rekindling. Sara seemed more relaxed, more present. One evening, after weeks of no initiative, she simply reached for my hand and looked at me with that old sparkle in her eyes. The change was subtle but profound. This wasn't a magic spell, it was biology in action. The maca was subtly working on Sara's stress levels, her energy, and gently reawakening her natural neurochemical pathways for connection and desire. It wasn't about forcing desire, but allowing it to blossom again. The story continued. Weeks turned into months. Michael shared, "Dr. Charlotte, sometimes I feel like she's begging me to stop because the desire is so intense, so consistent. It's not just physical, it's the emotional connection that's returned. We talk more, laugh more, connect on a deeper level. This isn't just about 1 teaspoon, it's about reclaiming the joy of intimacy." So, how do you correctly integrate this into your routine? Step 1. Sourcing the right maca. You need organic, gelatinized, for better digestion, cold-pressed Peruvian maca root powder. Avoid capsules or tablets for this specific effect. Step 2. The morning tea ritual. Add exactly 1 level teaspoon of the powder to your morning tea, black, green, or herbal. Stir it well until dissolved. The warmth of the tea helps its integration. Consistency is paramount. Do this every single day. What to expect? The timeline. Results are not instant. Most women report subtle shifts in mood and energy within 2 to 3 weeks. The noticeable increase in desire and emotional receptiveness typically begins around week 4 to week 6. Patience is key. This is a natural biooptimizer, not a pharmaceutical. Important side effects and considerations. Maca is generally safe. However, some may experience mild digestive upset initially. Start with half a teaspoon for the first few days if you're sensitive. If you have severe hormonal conditions, are pregnant, or on specific medications, always consult your doctor before adding any new supplement. Q. Can men use it too? A. Yes. Maca is beneficial for both men and women. For men, it can support energy, stamina, and male libido, though the begging to stop effect is predominantly seen in female partners due to the specific neurological pathways affected. Q. Does it have to be in tea? A. While tea is ideal for absorption due to warmth, you can also mix it into a morning smoothie or warm water. The key is consistency and integrating it into a regular, easy habit. The teaspoon revelation isn't just about maca. It's about understanding that powerful changes often come from simple, consistent actions.